Yo, it's been a minute. Your boy has been busy doing room renovations. I have 2 rooms to show y'all. Today we're starting with the Neon Dungeon, the master bedroom. So I'm gonna shut my mouth and we're gonna get this shit poppin'. Follow me on Instagram, Vintage Show Pony. Subscribe or some shit. Leave me a comment. It won't kill you. It's free. If you like 1980s, okay, school bus. If you like 1980s, vintage realness, trailer park goddesses, then follow me. Because I'm serving the tea hot. Okay? School's letting out. I gotta go. Enjoy the video. Okay, we are in the master bedroom, the Neon Dungeon. Here is a quick pan. Oof, the floors are creaking. I'm about to fall through, honey. But look at how hot it looks. We love, love, love. I'm gonna take you corner by corner, but this is the overview. And it's super special. Oh my God, these floors, there's a dead body in them. First up, we have a little music corner with this little chair, this chiclet chair that I hand dyed pink tie-dye. She's not perfect, but she cute. We have little flowers from Trader Joe's, a little vase. Don't quit your daydreams and daily inspo that lights up, guess what color? Pink, obviously. Mitchell had this piano, and obviously we also painted it pink. Hager Greyhound, and I got him this little cute microphone that matches the vibe in here. And he's a musician, so this is where he plays on his piano and it makes some magic. It's just like the perfect spot for this piano, honestly. Moving on over, we have a teal velvet dog bed for the girlies. This lights up neon. Here's the view out of the window. It's a gorgeous day to be gay, honey. That is a pasture across the street. It's 125 acres of nothingness. Can you say murder? Okay, me and Mitchell reupholstered this stool. Ugh, those cords. Cow print, obviously, because it's trendy and cute. Disco Baby, we printed off Etsy and had framed. And this, I had to have this woman on Facebook out of Georgia. I had to convince her to ship it to me because I've always wanted a palm tree mirror. And as soon as it arrived, I slapped some pink on it and hung it up on this wall. The vaulted ceilings are a pain in the ass to work with, so we did what we could. And this is where I sit in the morning and put on my dad jeans and do my daily rituals to stay alive. Moving on over, my favorite part of this room is this window unit, this AC unit. How Miami Motel does that look? How trailer park does that look? I love it. It's a design element that is just extremely hot. Over here, my coveted beauty is this floor lamp, smoked lucite. It's worth like $2,000 or some crazy shit on Cherish. I'm usually not into chrome, but this chrome is really cute and it looks great. Moving on, we have Miss Ho herself, Miss Piggy with her Farrah Fawcett wig. She's got her sequins on, her boa on. She's ready for Miss RuPaul's Drag Race. She's such a slut, but we love her. Disco ball is a staple in pretty much every room in this house. And it picks up nicely on the chrome lamp. Okay, and the main attraction is our bed. I ordered this on Facebook Marketplace out of Michigan. I had to convince this family to let me pay them digitally. And then I had to hire a company to go deconstruct it, bring it to me, and then put it back together. So it was one of the most extra things I've ever done, but How could you say no to those curves? I mean, you can. It's impossible. And also the bed lights up neon, which I have yet to set up because I need electrical tape, but it's so good. I hope to one day die on this bed. Just leave me here for all of eternity. And the headboard lights up too. So just super, super cool. I had to have it. I spent a lot of money on it, but it's very, very cute. And just makes me happy. And then we're back where we began. Here is the standing wardrobe. This piece is excellent. Look at those. Oh, here's like the real color. The lighting is wonky right now, but it has like this marbled laminate. It's so sick. Tell me that's not so sick. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching if you made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed the room. It took a lot of work and a lot of cash moolah, but I think it's really cute. It was featured on Apartment Therapy, which the gods have blessed me. And if you want to follow along, I'm active on Instagram every day at Vintage Show Pony. I love y'all so much. Okay, school bus is enough. Deidre's in my yard. Deidre's the deer. Anyway, love you guys. Take care. Be well. Be merry. Paint your room pink.